Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
In today's video, we will discuss about money exchange license. So let's get started. In case you want to start a currency exchange business, then you need to know every factor in regards to running a successful money exchange business. It is fundamentally required to attend a FFMC license before opening a money exchange firm. Let's put a light on the term FFMC. Whether you are cashing checks with physical cash or via direct deposit, as well as if you are cashing checks in exchange for gift cards. If you are involved in currency exchange, you need a license. Let us see what FFMC is. A full-fledged money changer, also known as FFMC, is an authorized entity that has the power to purchase foreign exchange from the residents and non-residents of India and sell it to the people visiting abroad with the sole purpose of private and business travel. Here are the specifications related to FFMC license. As prescribed in Section 10 of the Foreign Exchange Market Act 1999, only authorized money changers can deal with the activities of currency exchange. Nobody has the permit to advertise their money changing business until they possess a valid FFMC license issued by the RBI. So the first step is towards setting up foreign exchange business in India. It is to obtain an FFMC license. Now you must be wondering how to get that license. In this slide, we will see what is the eligibility to get FFMC license. Only a registered entity under Companies Act 2013 can apply for an FFMC full-fledged money changer license. Your entity must have a minimum net owned funds (NOF) of INR 25 lakhs to apply for a single branch license, while it increases to INR 50 lakhs for the multiple branch license. There should not be any pending criminal or civil cases against your entity with the enforcement of DRI, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. The object clause of the Memorandum of Association (MOA) must reflect the money changing activities that were previously undertaken by your entity. After obtaining the FFMC license, your entity must execute its currency exchange business activities within 6 months from the issuance date of the forex license. For getting the FFMC license, there are some steps that you will have to follow. Firstly, submit a complete and detailed application for the FFMC license to the concerned regional office of the Reserve Bank of India. Second, application will be clearance from the empowered committee set up for the purpose. Thirdly, the final decision regarding the issue of the license is always in the hands of RBI. If you pass every slot under the fit and proper criteria by RBI, then you will receive the full-fledged money changer FFMC license within a period of 2 to 3 months. Now the last thing is, after obtaining the license, you need to submit a copy of the registration with any documentary proof such as copy of lease agreement, rent receipt, etc. to the regional office before commencing the business. There are some other things also that you will require, like application fees, surety bond, personal financing statement, credit bureau report, business entity documents, articles of incorporation, fictitious name statement, list of owners, partners and stockholders with work history and background checks, etc. Authorized money changers shall maintain the following registers regarding their money changing transactions: every day's summary and balance book, foreign currency coins or notes in the form of FLM1, daily summary and balance book of travelers checks in form of FLM2, foreign currencies purchases from the public in form of FLM3, register of purchases of foreign currency coins, notes from authorized money changers and dealers in the form of FLM4, sales of foreign currency coins or notes and foreign currency travelers checks to the public register in form of FLM5, register of sales of foreign currency coins or notes to full-fledged money changers or authorized dealers or overseas banks in form of FLM6. Register of travelers check surrounded to authorized money changers, authorized dealers in form of FLM7. AMCs have to cross-check all the books and registers, ensuring that they are updated from time to time. If the AMC maintains more than one money exchange business, then it's essential to create separate registers for the same. The books of account and register should portray a clear picture of transaction about money changing business. Just remember, there is no shortcut to success. If you seek to run a foreign exchange business, then you have to meet all the requirements concerning the FFMC license. Effective money exchanges are a lucrative opportunity to seize huge returns. Thank you.